Nag-post ka na pero wala pa rin? Ganito ka rin ba? Ilang months ka nang nagpo-post sa social media pero parang wala pa rin nakakakita sa business mo? Maybe you can relate to Tina's problem. Tina owns a home-based baking business and everyday nagpo-post siya ng pictures ng cakes niya. Magaganda naman ang mga pictures at masarap talaga ang mga creations niya. Pero konti lang ang benta. Yung mga competitors niya, ang dami ng customers nila with the help of content. Habang si Tina, stuck pa rin sa walang engagement, walang shares, walang sales. She told me, "Mami ginagawa ko na naman lahat. Nagpo-post ako araw-araw. Pero bakit parang wala pa rin pumapansin?" Sounds familiar, di ba anak? You see, Tina's problem was not her cakes. Her problem was not her posting. Her problem was that she had no system. She was posting random content at random times. Walang mga strategies na ginagamit. You see, content creation is like going to the gym. Alam mong kailangan mo. Pero kung ikaw lang ang mag-isa, walang trainer, walang schedule, walang kasabay, hindi mo ito masusustain. That's why this time, you don't need more information. You need execution that's frictionless. You need a clear plan, built-in accountability, weekly momentum, real feedback, and a group that does not let you quit. That's exactly what my mentor, Real Talk Darbs, built. It's a 45-day execution ecosystem built for business owners na sawa ng mag-isa at handang gumawa ng content that actually converts. It is the same challenge na nakatulong sa mga entrepreneurs to generate 84.8 million pesos in sales. I invite you to join the Kraken Challenge now and check the link in the comment to learn more. Remember, let's be business-minded Pinoy.